Days of Sales Outstanding, DSO, is a financial ratio used to measure how efficiently a company collects its receivables. It represents the average number of days it takes for a company to collect payment after a sale has been made. Unlike other liquidity ratios, which might focus on cash flow or the ability to meet short-term obligations, DSO specifically targets the efficiency of accounts receivable management. This makes it particularly useful for understanding how well a company is handling its credit sales and cash flow from customers. Days of Sales Outstanding, DSO. Days of Sales Outstanding, DSO, gauges the average time it takes for a company to receive payments from its credit sales. To calculate DSO, you need to know the total accounts receivable and the total net sales over a specific period. The ratio is calculated by dividing the accounts receivable by the total net sales for the period, and then multiplying the result by the number of days in the period, usually a year. This tells you, on average, how many days it takes to collect on receivables. Example: suppose a company has total accounts receivable of $300,000 and total net sales of $1,200,000 for the year. To calculate the DSO, you first divide the accounts receivable, $300,000, by the net sales, $1,200,000. This gives you a fraction. Next, multiply this fraction by the number of days in the year, which is 365. For this example, the calculation would be as follows. $300,000 divided by $1,200,000 equals 0.25. Multiply 0.25 by 365 to get 91.25 days. Thus, the DSO is 91.25 days, indicating that, on average, it takes about 91 days for the company to collect payment from its customers. Low Days of Sales Outstanding. A low DSO indicates that a company is efficient at collecting its receivables. This means the company has a shorter collection period and is likely receiving payments from customers quickly. This can be a sign of effective credit management and strong customer relationships. Additionally, a lower DSO improves cash flow, which can be beneficial for the company's overall liquidity and ability to invest in opportunities. High Days of Sales Outstanding. A high DSO suggests that the company is taking longer to collect payments from its customers. This could indicate potential issues with credit management, such as extended credit terms, ineffective collection processes, or problems with customer payment reliability. A high DSO can lead to cash flow problems, as funds that could be used for other business activities are tied up in receivables. How can companies optimize Days of Sales Outstanding? Improve credit policies. Implement stricter credit policies to ensure that only creditworthy customers are granted credit terms. Regularly review and adjust credit limits based on customer payment history and financial stability. Streamline invoicing and collection processes. Ensure that invoices are sent promptly and accurately. Follow up on overdue invoices regularly and use automated systems to track and manage receivables more efficiently. Offer discounts for early payments. Encourage customers to pay sooner by offering discounts for early payments. This can improve the speed of collections and reduce the DSO. Key takeaways. Days of Sales Outstanding, DSO, measures how efficiently a company collects payments from its credit sales. It is calculated by dividing accounts receivable by total net sales and then multiplying by the number of days in the period. A low DSO indicates effective receivables management and strong cash flow. A high DSO suggests potential issues with credit collection and can impact cash flow negatively. Companies can optimize DSO by improving credit policies, streamlining invoicing and collection processes, and offering early payment discounts.